करू ना. This is a TYB, sorry, this is a SYBSC. We are learning linear algebra. We are learning second unit determinant. Now see, suppose A is equal to A is equal to A is equal to 1 comma 1 comma -1 2 3 0 -1 -1 2 5 -2. Suppose A is equal to 1 -1 2 3 0 -1 2 5 -2 is a 3 by 3 matrix. Now see here, what is the Laplace expansion of the determinant of the matrix A? Formula that the determinant of A. This formula is called as the Laplace expansion. Determinant of A is equal to sigma -1 raised to power I plus j -1 raised to power I plus j aij mij, where mij is the minor of the element aij. Here matrix A is can be considered in symbolic notation as A11, A12, A13. That is we write suffix, first suffix as row number and second suffix as the column number. Therefore the matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now determinant of A is equal to sigma -1 raised to power I plus j mij. Mij is called as the minor of the element aij, and it is obtained by uh, deleting the element in the ith row and jth column, and considering the remaining part of the matrix and taking its determinant. This determinant is called as the minor of the element aij. Now see here, according to this formula, determinant of A can be expanded in terms of any row or any column. Let us expand the determinant of A using second row and third column. Now according to Laplace expansion rule, according to Laplace expansion rule, Laplace expansion rule, determinant of A is equal to, here let us expand this determinant using second row. Here second row, the first element 3aj means this element is A21. Now is equal to -1 raised to power 2 plus 1 A113. Now minor of the element 3, we delete the row in which the element 3 is, and we delete the column in which the element 3 is. Therefore it is a matrix, it is the determinant. Here this delete this row and this column, -1 2 5 -2. Okay, this is the mij, this is the minor of the element 3. Now plus -1 raised to power 2 plus 2 A22 is equal to 0 into minor of the 0, deleting the second row and second column, we get 1 2 2 -2, matrix 1 2 2 -2, plus -1 raised to power 2 plus 3, -1 raised to power 2 plus 3. Now into -1 into determinant of, delete the element in the second row and third column, 1 -1 2 5. 1 minus 1 2 5. This is equal to here minus 1 raised to power 3 is equal to minus 1 into 3, and this determinant is equal to minus 1 into 3, 2 into minus 10, 2 into minus 10, 2 into minus 10 is equal to minus 8 into minus 8 plus 0. Now this is equal to plus minus 1 raised to power 5 is equal to minus 1 into minus 1. Now this value is equal to 5. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Is equal to 8 3 are 24. 24 plus 7. 24 plus 7. 24 plus 7 is equal to 31. Therefore, determinant of A is equal to 31. Determinant of A is equal to 31. Now similarly, we can expand the determinant using third column. See here how to expand the expansion of determinant using third column. Expansion of determinant of A. Expansion using third column. Using third column. Using third column. See here. Now here determinant of A is equal to here minus 1 raised to power. Here 2 is the element in the first row and third column. Minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 3 into 2 plus minor of 2. Delete the element. Delete the first row and third column. Therefore, it is the determinant of 15 into 15. Because 3 5 is 15 minus 0. Then here plus minus 1 into 2. It is the element in the second row and third column. 2 raised to power 3 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minor of the minus 1 is equal to 5 minus 2 7 plus minus 2 plus minus 1 into 3 raised to 3 power 3 plus 3 power into minus 2 into 1. This is equal to 31. This is equal to also 31. This is how we can expand any determinant using a row or column. कुठे हे कर ऑफ कर चुकलं ना ऑफ कर.